Okay guys, in this video we're going to be talking about everything that we got at the baby shower. This is the baby shower haul, and I got a little helper with me today. She's being goofy. Tell them why you're wearing your glasses.
Because you won't know what eye color I have, and my eye color will be anonymous.
Anonymous. Are you ready for your baby sister?
Yes.
Yes. What are you excited about?
I'm excited by feeding her and giving her the passy and getting her to sleep.
No poop diapers for you?
No poop or pee diapers.
But yeah, I figured I needed to film this haul before this baby like falls out of me, because like she is ready. I'm 38 weeks and 3 days today. I go to the doctor tomorrow and I get to schedule an induction for next week. If I make it next week, I hope I don't. But anyway, it'll be next week. So I need to get this video up and out of the way, and I hope this is something that you guys are interested in. If it is, leave me a comment below.
Subscribe!
If it is and you want to see what I got at the baby shower and what I've received for the baby so far, just keep watching. So we're going to start with the basics of what we got, and these are the diapers that we got. I think that this is plenty to start out with.
We got all these baby wipes.
What are the baby wipes for?
To wipe the baby.
Where?
On its butt.
So here's all the odds and ends stuff that we got at the baby shower. Somebody gifted us with a little high chair thing, and then there's that little pack of necessities with like the nose sucker and the clippers and stuff. We got a few packs of pacifiers, a pacifier holder. When we unwrapped this at the baby shower, Autumn got so excited. She was like, oh my gosh, a toilet brush cleanser for the baby. We also got some socks and bibs. I've got others that I'm going to show you in just a moment that I put away, but these are just the ones that I have out right now that I haven't washed and put away yet. And we also got a few packs of bottles. We were also gifted with a pink bathtub, a diaper bag, a couple of toys, the teething rings, a couple of blankets. These are the onesies and cute little outfits that I got at the shower that I haven't washed and put away yet. I've got plenty others that I was gifted, but those are already hung up and like ready to go. This cute little pair of shoes. We were also gifted a few bigger items, and this was a little storage bin, which as you can see I've already filled it up with pants and bibs and socks and washcloths. I'm going to need to get another one, but this one was a gift. And last but not least, we were very generously gifted this bassinet, also with some bed sheets and towels and stuff that I've already got stocked at the bottom.
I really like the bassinet. Like, imagine me just sleeping in here.
I don't think you're gonna fit.
I'm gonna fit.
What are you gonna do when the baby cries in the night? Really? Are you gonna get up and change its diapers?
No!
Why not?
Disgusting.
Are you gonna give her a bottle?
No. Actually, that's not such a bad a job.
So when she wakes you up in the night, you're not gonna be grumpy, you're gonna get up and feed her?
Well, only on the school day though. And you feed her. Then
I'll feed her on the school nights.
Yeah, and then I'll feed her on the weekend nights.
Okay. Sounds like a plan.
Yep. I want to sleep in here so bad. I'll be living the good life if I slept in here.
Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. That is it for this video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more baby updates, please leave me a comment below. Let me know. If you want to see more of Autumn, thumbs up this video.
Help me!
And if you want to see her being a big sister, because I'm going to vlog a lot. There's going to be some family vlogging on this channel now. So just let me know what you guys want to see. Again, thank you so much for watching. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. What are you doing? Subscribe to my channel.
Like, what are you doing? What are you doing? Give her a thumbs up now.
What else do they need to do?
You need to subscribe or else they will jump into a volcano and I'll push them.
No. But yeah guys, subscribe, like this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.